In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private project in Asana. We'll walk through this from inside your Asana account, so go ahead and log in first. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. There you'll see a section labeled Projects. This is where all of your existing projects live and where you'll be able to create new ones. Click on Projects to open that area and bring up the options related to project management. After that panel opens, you'll see a button or link that says New Project. This is the starting point for creating anything new in Asana. Go ahead and click on New Project. When you do this, Asana will display different ways to set up a project, often showing templates, blank projects, or options to import work from other tools. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to create your project. Select the option that best matches what you see on your screen, usually a tile or button that lets you pick a template or start from a suggested setup. In this example, we'll work with a template to make things faster and more structured. Once you've chosen the setup option, you'll see a list of templates. Find the one you want to use, and then click on Use Template. This tells Asana to create a new project based on that layout, with predefined sections and tasks. Using a template is especially helpful if you're following a repeatable process, like onboarding, campaigns, or recurring workflows. Now you'll be asked where you want this project to live. Look for the field that lets you choose a location and select My Workspace. This ensures the project is created under your personal or main workspace, where you can control access and membership. Picking the right workspace is important, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations in Asana. To make the project private, locate the privacy or access setting on this setup screen. Click on the option that says Private to Members. This means only the people you add as members of this project will be able to see it, its tasks, and its details. It's a key step if you're handling sensitive work or information that shouldn't be visible to everyone in your organization. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Asana may ask you to name your project, adjust dates, or add members. Review each step carefully, confirm your choices, and then finish the setup. Once you're done, your new project will be created as private and ready for you and your selected collaborators to start working.